Today I want to show you how to successfully do your airdrops. Back in those days, airdrops were you needed email addresses to do airdrops, but now we see that airdrops involve Trust Wallet a lot, involve wallet and centralized applications more this period. So as you've noticed in this space, evolve things evolve, like the way you do stuff keep changing in this crypto space, because the crypto space is like going from one level to the other. So now that we need to interact more with the decentralized applications in order to engage in more airdrop. There is tendency that you might expose your wallet to hacks. Before now it was email addresses, so everybody is instructed to take the precaution of using a separate email address that is different from the one you used to trade to do these airdrops, especially any email address that involves any airdrop that demands that you put email address. Please do not use the email address you used to trade to do those airdrops. But now that we use some of us use Trust Wallets and all that, it's important that we have a wallet that we use to keep our main portfolio, and then another wallet that we use for airdrops. Okay, so now if you're using Trust Wallet, for example, you can have as many as 20 wallets within one app. Do you hear what I said? You can have up to 20 wallets within one app. So how do you do this? You on your When you open your Trust Wallet, you see the interface, then you go to settings. If you click on settings, you see a place at the top, you see wallet. You click on wallet. Now you see different wallets. That at your right hand side at the top, you will see a plus sign. On that plus sign, you click on it. Now you can create a new wallet. As you can see now, I have 2 wallets here. I can have as many as 10, 20 here. So you can have one of them. So one of them can be your main, or 1 or 2 or 3 can be your main wallet for your main tokens, and then you can have another one separately for airdrops. So this is engaged in the airdrop. So even if anything happens to that one, you won't lose your coin. So you can come to this plus sign, click on plus sign, then you go to create a new wallet, and you click, then you continue, and then you save your recovery phrase, and then you now paste each recovery phrase one by one, and then you continue. So you can still come back. And then click another one. So on this plus sign here, you can create as many wallets as possible, so that you can, like now, and whenever you want to go to each of the wallets, you just can simply open your Trust Wallet. You come to settings, you go to wallets, and then you select any of the wallets you want to open. And you want to go back to other wallets, go to your wallets again, you select any of the wallets you want to open. So that's that. You can also increase the security of each of the wallets or your wallet by adding passcode, auto lock, using biometrics. You can even do transaction signing, in the sense that before any transaction happens on your wallet, you need to confirm it. And then so that's how to create multiple Trust Wallets in one Trust Wallet app, and it keeps you safe from anything that might happen, and then your tokens just disappear one day. I hope this video made sense. If it made sense to you, just don't forget to click the like button and share the video with someone else who might need it. Thank you.